today's topic is validating and testing forensics software. Okay, in this now we are discussing about computer forensics hardware tools also. Okay, in this technique, in hardware tools techniques, we are using the right blocker. We are using the right blocker. In this right blocker, PD block we are using. Okay, what is meant by PD? PD is a particular driver. Okay, the PD blocker, what is the use of PD blocker? Particular driver blocker prevents write to a particular driver. For example, we are writing any information to the CD or any disk, any compact disk. For example, we have to attempt to write. If an attempt to write data to a particular compact disk or any disk, if an attempt to write data is made, then an alarm sounds will be indicate. What is the alarm sound indicates? It indicates no write is done. No write is done. Only read operation will be done in particular compact disk or any other hard disk or any other external disk. Okay, some abbreviations are there in this. ADJCMP. ADJCMP means it compares. CMP means compares two different drives. Sector. Okay, already we discussed about compact disk or drive. Magnetic disk we already discussed. Compares two different drives sector by sector. And the second one, BAD X13. Okay, it is a bad sector. Bad sector is created on BIOS drive. BIOS drive already we discussed in previous topic. Okay, and next one, BAD. What is meant by X13? It is the interrupt 13. Okay, BAD disk. What is meant by BAD disk? It replacing bad disk by replacing interrupt 13 and means above. Second one, corrupt. Next one, not second one, next one, corrupt. Forensic tool identifies a corrupted bit. Forensic tool identifies a corrupted bit. For example, one bit is corrupted, it will be identified corrupted bit. It corrupts only one bit. Only one bit, not two or more. It corrupts only one bit. And the next one, disk CMP. Okay, whether two drivers are there, these two are the two drivers are there, both are similar, both are two drivers, both are similar, or not by comparing each other, or not by comparing each other. Next one, disk CHG. Forensic tool identifies the data modified. It alters the data on a drive. For example, the data will be modified. The data in drives, the data will be modified. It will be altered. Okay, it will be altered. And the next one, log case. The case information in a file is logged. The case information in a file is logged. Last one, SEC COPY. SEC means sector. Particular sector is copied. Particular sector is copied.